ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯁꯆꯤ ꯒꯥꯏꯗꯦꯟꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯆꯤꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ꯫ Hi everyone, this is Sachi. Welcome to Sachi's Guidance. Today we should talk about kinds of noun. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ noun ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯝꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯇ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ noun ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯩꯅꯗꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯅꯩꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ noun ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ confuse ꯊꯣꯛꯀꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ confuse ꯂꯩꯒꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ learnersꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯞꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯖ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯔꯠꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯣ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯆꯨꯝꯅꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ classification of nouns kinds of nouns or clans of noun ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ Let's see, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ kinds of nouns ꯁꯤꯗ we have concrete noun, abstract noun at first. ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ concrete noun ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯦ abstract noun ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯦ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ what is concrete noun and what is abstract noun? We should know that. First, concrete noun ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏna the nouns can be counted. Masing thiba yaba noun. Amadi kaidoba akhona the nouns can be touched. Sokpa ngamba. The another is the nouns can be seen. Uba ngamba. Adugulaba nouns sing du kari kawi akhona concrete noun kawi. After all, let's see the examples. Book, girl, jury, impal, dimal, all these are concrete nouns. Maramdi karigi. Book haibase khoina sopungami, ubungami, masing thiba yai. Likewise, girl su, jury su, impal su, dimal. All these are concrete nouns. Then next, let's see abstract noun. What is abstract noun or what do you mean by abstract nouns? We have to discuss right now at this place. Okay, get ready everybody. Abstract noun haibadi akoina uba ngamdaba, paiba ngamdaba, express toba yadaba, adungulaba posak adabu kari kawi haiba matamda akoina abstract noun haina kawi. Ear, freedom, beauty, honesty, all these are also abstract noun. Kari oriba ear, air nuksit haibase akhona kaidoba paiba ngamde esiji nuksit ne nuai ne yadi. Oh freedom, this is freedom, nobody can say that. Freedom is like this, like marker, like hills, like mountain, like river. No. Aduna akhona freedom is abstract noun. Aduna di kari ore beauty, honesty, makoi jingje kari ore haba abstract noun. Here I am going to mention abstract noun has no classification. All kinds. Magi makhan kanta laite. Aduna akhona hujik abstract noun khangabagi tungda let's continue again. The next part is countable and uncountable. Now we got countable and uncountable. From which noun? Kanama noun dagi no khona countable amadi uncountable noun phangi jai taragadi concrete noun dagi. Countable and the uncountable nouns. These two nouns are the kind of concrete noun. Concrete noun gi makhan naba mas. For example, book, jury, table, etc. I mean, there are so many countable nouns in English. So, book can be counted, jury can be counted, Table can be counted, but Jiri is a very difficult. Very is some difficult in some ways, so that's why I'm going to explain later on. Next is the uncountable noun. Uncountable noun is the I'm a tanda. Masing thiba yadaba noun bu ekone kari kawi. I'm a tanda. Uncountable noun koi masing thiba. Water. For example, we see water, gold, diamond, Delhi. All these are uncountable noun. We can see all these things, but we cannot count. Akora masing tibiding amde, masing tibiding amde, aduga ubde ui makoisu. Adubu masigi participle kari kaure uncountable noun. Water have matamda ising ama, ising ani, ising ahum, ising mani. Likewise, we cannot count 1 water, 2 water, 3 water, 5 water. Okay. Water can be counted in some areas. I'm going to mention next class. Okay. Next, let's continue. These two nouns, countable and uncountable. Countable also has two kinds. Uncountable also has two kinds. Let's see what are they. Makui jingadu kari kari no have the koi yeng midarashi yengo. From the countable noun, we have common noun and collective noun. Common noun amadi koi collective noun phange. Common noun is the karigumba ama hairaga ama represent toraga haidi mayam punama akoina khangnaba yaba aduguma posak adubu kari kawi haiba matamda akoina common noun kawi. For example, boy, nipamasa, marker, these all are common noun because maramdi nupamasa habidi there are so many boys in this world. Pitibi nupamasa mayam amale adubu, but we mention boy. Akona boy has a heck mention to matam kari kaure. This is used commonly. That's why it is called common noun. There are so many common nouns. Okay, let's stop over here about the common noun. Let's continue. Next is collective noun. So what is collective noun? It is very very interesting. Okay, I'm telling you, collective nouns have a karino hai matanda kaito vai koina noun mayam gi group punsel lakpado madubu kaito vai koina aduga sagat lakpado adubu kari kawi hai matanda koina collective nouns kawi. Let's see jury, army, class. Jury hai matanda mi ama khatana jury oi bayate aduga army hai matanda one person khatana koina army mention tawdaba group ora kanda army and mention toropa class haibisu kadaba number of student mayam amana punsilaga class orakpa sugumba noun se kari kawi ha matanda it is called collective noun. Okay, right? Okay, I know that and you got my point. Next is you see from the uncountable noun, uncountable noun has two kinds again. One is a proper noun, the another one is a material noun. What is a proper noun? What is a material noun? We have to discuss in details. Now proper noun. Proper noun haibidi koina karigumba noun do akaknaba takpa adugumba noun do kaitawai koina proper noun kauganeba. Adubu proper noun khudingmukti kaitawai koina madi masing thiba yade aduga proper noun khudingmukti kaitawba loina makhoi first letter of the word wahidugi ahamba letter do kaitawba capital letter E ganeba. This is the characteristic of proper noun. Proper noun gi characteristics ni. Then let's see material noun. Material noun is we should talk about material noun. Material noun edi karino. Kariguma posak amabu magi macet piece kaido ba taraga su kaido ba magi mawong masak maming hung daba adubu kari kawi haiba taragadi matubai koina material noun haina kaugani. For example, diamond, gold, water, paper, all these are collective all these are material nouns. Okay, all of you, I'm going to do demonstration about the material noun. For example, let's take one example, paper. Here we have paper. Now it is called paper. Now we tear it like that. This is a piece of paper from this paper, but the names cannot be changed. This is also paper. This is also paper. So that's why paper is called material noun. Aduna material noun oibagi maramda ina uji mayamna mayek singna pigre aduna masigum laba material noun haibase masishu akoina khangdaba yadaba ama oire aduba akoina common oina leramba hana leramba common noun, collective noun, proper noun, material noun haina leramba somda matang abstract noun, concrete noun, countable noun, uncountable noun laiba makhan mayama. Not only these kinds, there are some kinds of nouns also, for example, singular number, singular noun, plural noun, and then gender is also a kind of noun. But gender has, you see, 4 kinds, I think. Number 1 is the masculine, number 2 is the feminine, number 3 is common, number 4 is neuter. All these nouns belong to gender section. So that's why I hope this lesson also is going to be very interesting in the next classes. Thank you very much for your cooperation. In the note column, you see common nouns include collective nouns, the material nouns, and the abstract nouns. All these 3 nouns are included in common nouns. So that's why, and we have to digest very carefully how to know kinds of noun. If you know the kinds of noun, then I am going to share the another parts of speech in the next classes. After learning kinds of noun, now we have very special noun. It is very interesting. If you know that, okay, right? I am going to tell you. That means this is called compound noun. I am going to note down on the board. Compound noun. Compound noun is a combination of 2 or more smaller words. It is new. In this modern time, this compound noun is added according to some grammarian, but we have to accept it because we are not grammarian. We have to follow all the rules. Compound noun haibisi karine heba wahai ani antraga apikpa wahai sing punsilaga semadu kaidabai koina compound noun kawi. Let's see the example. Let's take example. For example, okay, snowball, textbook, underwear, seafood, father-in-law, etc. All these are, compound noun. Are you excited? I hope you got it. It is very important. This is very new. If you have this, you will be good about the classification of noun. Thank you very much. Okay, learn it. Okay, now we have discussed about kinds of noun. It is very interesting, I think so, and I hope you got the points. So if you are interested more and more, please give your comments in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much for your cooperation.